Hi everybody, welcome to Mamta Creations. We just finished our candle making session. These are the candles what we have made in the class, and we have two beautiful participants here, Paulomi and Paushali. Now we just put to the participants. They will share your feedback with all of you here. Thank you, Paushali, for choosing Mamta Creations. How was the session today, ma'am?
The session was amazing. It was such a beautiful learning experience. Basically, I am a tarot reader, and me and my sister Paulomi, we run a company called House of Ela, where we focus on skincare products and candles, which are used for therapy and healing purposes. So our basic motive of coming for this advanced candle making class was to learn the blend of essential and aroma oils, and to get to know a bit more about the processes and how we can actually get the knowledge to put it into a better use for advanced candles. So it was a really lovely candles. We have got so many varieties. We have learned how to make ice candles,
chunky. Which is ice candle?
These are the ice candles that we make. These are the ice pillar candles that we made. We made floating candles, small ones and big ones. So we made these kind of rose candles.
Okay, ma'am.
Candles.
The other candles we'll leave for your sister to show them. So couldn't you just, you do tarot, what else you do apart from tarot?
I do tarot, crystal therapy and candle meditation healing. And these are the things we do. So our brand name is Ela, House of Ela, and my phone number is 700-3489-399. So if you have any kind of questions that you need answers for, do feel free to contact me.
Thank you, Paushali, for choosing Mamta Creations. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Now we have
Paulomi.
Paulomi here.
So it was really a good experience learning with Mamta ma'am. So I was looking for some advanced course in candle making, so that I'm a healer, so it can help me in incorporating my healing knowledge to candle making and use healing candles for different for providing different solutions and remedies to my clients. So I googled about somebody who can teach us advanced candle making, and that's how I came to know about Mamta Creation. They are so much experience, and ma'am is holding almost 15 years of experience in the field. So it was wonderful learning it from her. So we have made some beautiful candles. So this is a very unique candle which is called massage candle. So it's basically used in different spas and massage centers for therapy, healing and massage. And in different spas also it is used.
Can you just let us know what are the ingredients you have infused to make this massage candle?
Yeah, so we have infused two different types of butter, cocoa butter and shea butter. Along with that we have put in oil. So that was a cold press coconut oil, and then we have used beeswax, pure beeswax. The material quality was really good. So while we were making the candles, that was very evident with the finished products that the quality were really good. So yeah, so this is...
You loved it?
Yeah, definitely.
So you can give a nice massage to yourself today.
Yes. So this is my personal favorite massage candle. Then we have this ice pillar candle. Then she also taught us how to pack, because of course when we are making the product, it's very important how we are going to put it in a package and sell it. So it's very simple, yet it looks cute. So she taught us how to package it as well. Then these are like seeds candles. So we
you
did
just
it
tilt it more so we can see the seeds and the sides.
Yeah. So this is the variety of seed candles. So this we made with tapioca seeds. However, different other seeds can be used, which she already told us during the session. Now we have also made two.
You can show the ball candles.
Yeah, these are the ball candles. So now since Christmas is round the corner, these are like really going to make good, Christmas candles. It'll look good. So these are one variety. Then we have made another variety of ferns candles. So it is with basically
just
pure rose petals.
The back side.
Yeah. So you can see how the rose petals are showing. So yeah.
And the rose petal had been infused with the wax and the essential oil.
Yes. So this is the
so you can use this as a therapy candle.
Yeah. This can also be used as a therapy candle.
It looks and smells amazing.
Yeah, because rose basically helps in opening up the heart chakra. So it's going to be used as a therapy candle as well. Then this is a cute floating candles which we have.
You have one more floating candle, yeah.
Yeah, this is also a floating candle. And then this is like an insect repellent candle. So sometime while we are traveling or even we are at home, it's way better to use a candle to get rid of insects rather than using some like chemical laden sprays
The
which are
Odomos
not good
and the
for
Good Night
health.
and whatever
Yeah.
we use, or
Yeah,
tortoise
they are so
oil.
much filled with chemicals, and we feel choking also at times using them. So it's a very good natural remedy, I believe, and I think every household must have it. So we can just make it on our own now. So yeah, it was really a wonderful experience. We learned a lot of varieties. She has provided us with notes and yes, the certificates.
Beautiful certificate at the end of the session, and beautiful printed notes.
Yes.
So whatever you have, this recipes plus extra recipes. are there.
Exactly, and there were a lot of apart from the notes, of course, there were a lot of tips and tricks in general, real life tips and tricks which while making we learned. So that we are sure that it's going to really help us. Like that was practical knowledge. So thank you, ma'am, for taking us through this wonderful day through the making
So
process.
thank you both of you. Thank you Paulomi and Paushali for choosing Mamta Creations. We wish you all the best. And ma'am, you do pranic healing. You didn't tell.
I do pranic healing. So me and my sister, we run a homegrown startup called House of Ela. You can follow us on Insta. Our page is Ela Tarot Healing and Organics. So yeah, if you have any kind of issues in any sphere of life, it could be your health, relationship, finances, anything, healing can help with that. So do visit our page and let us know if we can be helpful.
Contact number once again.
My contact number is 877-857-5350.
Okay. Thank you both of you for choosing Mamta Creations. We wish both of you all the best. So hi viewers, this session is also available online and direct. If any of you are interested in taking up this session, you can contact us on 98407-24819 or log on to our website www.mamtacreations.com or check our Facebook page Mamta Creations or check our Instagram page Mamta Creations. Thank you viewers for watching us. Love you all.